How to make a high-altitude dangerous special effects video like this. Today I will teach you how to make a simple effect with a mobile phone. First, record a video of walking with a fence on the ground, then open VideoAE. Enter the production page, and import the video we just recorded through resources. Then import a river video. Find the mask button in the lower toolbar. Add a square mask. Go back to the previous step. Click Edit, and drag the box on the edge of the mask to make the river material cover the position of the lawn. If the size and position of the material is not good enough, then adjust the position and size of the material through Adjust. Such a simple high-altitude dangerous special effect is ready. Have you learned it?